The recipe for soaked buckwheat is quite simple. You're going to pour out some buckwheat into a container. Then you're going to add water, about 3 times the height of the buckwheat. At the end, you can always pour out the water, and then you'll wait between 4 and 12 hours. Okay, so I have my buckwheat. There are different varieties of buckwheat, and the flavor will be dependent on that. So I just pour in how much I want, and since I love my buckwheat, I'll pour in quite a bit. And then I get my water, pour it in, and now I'm going to set it aside for a few hours. Usually 4 hours I've found to suffice, but the buckwheat would be fine if it waits longer. So here it is, in its ready state. Now that it's ready, we simply dig in.